name is Rafi Magpantay. Welcome to my presentation on how to do a proper lifting and holding and burping after feeding. Before we start, we need to do a proper hand rising. There are different ways in holding a baby. Number one, cradle pull. Make sure that you provide support on neck, back, head, and also in their bottom. Next is block pull. Sit in a chair with your feet firmly on the block and place your baby in your lap. Their head should be at their waist face up. Tap is hip pull. Face your baby outward and make her sit on your waist and baby will comfortable to look around. Proceed for a burping a baby. Shoulder move. Make sure that you use a burping cloth to manage the mess. Sit upright or stand to hold your baby against your chest and gently tap or rub the back to help her burp. Next, face down on your lap. Hold your baby sitting up in your lap or across your knee. Support the baby's chest and head with one hand. Gently tap or rub her back to help her burp. The last, sitting up. Gently assist the baby in your sitting position, support the neck and head, gently pat the back or rub to help her burp.